na emprebebre no say obi wu a it doesn't matter say na oye within na so ye try say be kan echi asempa
Rollins yes Rollins you any piece mo share ho pictures Papa J rest in peace Papa J any pa we wu a ye cast won rest in peace mama mbi pictures me post pictures hwa soldier for yes Rollins ku mo Ghana me 1979 81 na Papa go say dey kan ye che any pa we wu a ye ma no rest in peace namusin and oh Lord Papa J oh my God a Christopher ne de brofo na namusin uko dina ba bi ko suma Rollins ya nyame ntwa uka me na me ka kire
Yo, what's up? Yes, DMK the market on here about down hand just say ebe foul such je dey say dey make catch them me for sa akonya we so ama John Rollins na busia phone na yakọ what I say adia to Ghana phone and yasa na meka no na emprebebre no say obi wu a it doesn't matter say na oye within na so ye try say be kan echi asempa
Rollins yes Rollins you any piece mo share ho pictures Papa J rest in peace Papa J any pa we wu a ye cast won rest in peace mama mbi pictures me post pictures hwa soldier for yes Rollins ku mo Ghana me 1979 81 na Papa go say dey kan ye che any pa we wu a ye ma no rest in peace namusin and oh Lord Papa J oh my God a Christopher ne de brofo na namusin
sana Ghana for yet see anything bia na ye oni ba akopɛ bi ono de o say on te say Ghana for or doing different na ono de ade a jejeje ye no ha no amo papa kra ye chi no nti jeje deserve say ono krampo ye betre rest in peace anasa nko wu ya ye nkonkosie ni ade sa be ma ono ne ade bodam
mama yanka no kro during time on 1979 81 look at the atmosphere in Ghana oya Ghana ni sa time COVID-19 kuraba yese montana demon COVID-19 bell boss me chia ni my boys Charlie we COVID-19 kuraba yese montana fi kakra na ye kan mo good dem na munyina Ghana obia ye desperate enipa das ni bia timi aboa me ya create atmosphere bia ya che Ghana fo nyina good dem se nwan ye kunkum ni pa basa ye bo ma eye no kre ye bo ma ye nipa yaka de ye chi nipa go prison nipa bi ho kwa wo mabio nipa bi ho ye be chi no ne busuafo ahunu bio ebesi ne we wu a menanare Papa J yui Africa fo ne ye be bresa uko dina ba bi ko suma Rollins ye nyame ntwa uka me na me ka kire
okay we cry the baby chair na ye jeje wu ya mu ana ama enima bebre aba anasense bebre aba ebi ni say e kan say e fa bibi sympathy vote what you say e ka sympathy vote na e pese e ka sympathy vote na e pese e kire say Rollins we na ka bia nka ya ka say bia ne party bi so nko party bia na ka say bia party ni e to man because o mahwe ade na ohwemu a Rollins in the last days no na o share na NDC for no enye okay though no na the NDC party ni buy there but no omo nye the enye okay bi asa ntina ama ne wife crampo ono na ka party was stand the president so jeje wuye amanfo bebre e kase e be sympathy vote ne betimi akọ etia NDC for obi dey say e via Schwarzenegger
yo Ghana for me den chia kasia e fe jagro nyame ho and I'm the every am mansion when I'm the bro yeah right this caphobia me ba cho mo si na jeje we na sympathy vote na jeje wo mejidi because Ghana ha obi ewu aye to aba e ma ne yere eco parliament o history and it's a sympathy vote wo baby a e wo se motoma na NDP who didn't go to my papa don mama no na die na ewu what yasiye na tias ne na obi enwuye ti sympathy vote there eye nana ena ni kunyawu na mwetimi atoma no ena obi azu say ye na nado na tie yi paso ne wo pe na mo NDC for ye you ma grom Mosiaka number ko wan afra mo. Yeah, you are gromos and banana putu near mom. Massa, sympathy votes nana and answer and Nekufuado.
Your person or channel was say, Mocha sympathy vote Diana Mamon Toma, a year NDC Momon Toma, a year Rollins and wife, no year a year. And there's a video we found online of this year analysis. We also saying
this event and use this event as a weapon. She's going to use this event as a weapon to remind the rest of the world, the NDC and the Ghanaian people, how her husband, who together founded the NDC with her, has been ostracized from the NDC. Whether she's right or wrong, we don't know, but she's going to make that point. In fact, don't forget that Mrs. Rawlings is on the ballot on 2016. She's in 2020. She's on the ballot on December 7th. She's on the ballot 3 weeks from now. She's not the NDC candidate. She's a candidate of another party. This is not the first time she's been on the ballot. Her relationship with John Dramani Mahama has deteriorated to the base. Looks like nothing can change it. Mrs. Nana Konadu Rawlings is going to use this event to put up the story that JJ has been ostracized, JJ has been embarrassed, and JJ has been mishandled by the NDC. She's going to say that very, very loudly. Our suspicion is that the MPP is not going to say much. The MPP are going to sit behind Nana Konadu Rawlings and push her as far as they can so that she will use the JJ's legacy to say that the NDC has not treated the founder well. In fact, she's going to talk about sympathy votes, we guess. And she's going to say that if you have any sympathy votes for JJ Rawlings and you want to protect the JJ legacy, you should vote for her because she's on the ballot. She's a presidential candidate for a party. And she will say that between she and John Dramani Mahama, she carries the JJ legacy, probity, accountability. She carries it better than John Dramani Mahama. Let's look again at this video, the music, the band that she set up, and you will see her enthusiasm way back, and you will understand why she will make the point that she is the JJ legacy and she's on the ballot. If you have sympathy votes, you give it to her. Let's see the video. So you saw Mrs. Rawlings dancing in that video. That's Mrs. Rawlings.
No, no, super short channel. So the whole thing is, if sympathy vote be bad, and then never have a NDC for just say, if sympathy vote do be bad, I'm about to ama a year. Konadu Rawlings. No, I'm not to man and so I'm about to a man no. I bet my NDC for vote to Swati. I bet my vote to Swati. And I should say, unless I'm a NPP, a pave way, because I'm not sure. I said because of Rawlings, new way to my NPP for say sympathy was a mobile jai, so I'm on 2 man and the name of Mbe Trauma, Konadu AC, or more best I will be a bayer, sir, and this 4 Bumbakas, okay, and you put on the party buying company, where the wife was last time went to Mommy, my uncle to man. Maybe I'm not sure. Now, the American said, I brought JJ Wu ye, time you Wu ye, it's not good because a bear affected Ghana election. Because you were emotional voters. Or more moody emotions voting. Now say, oh, quack or 2 a bus and I say, one drain anchor say, me hot Tommy. And I say, you okay. One baby boo man of mine, or man baby now Cassabia will be a windy because of that will be changing what you ne SWA. What I said. And I must say, Mommy, I baby. And never be cause online, a year and ask a film. Obi to say a year Mahama, John Mahama, yeah. Videos be about a bra we woo ye, John Rawlings woo ye. Na ye him say at a most woo maybe a chamuno, na a man for the targets and Mahama ni kuno, but the man shoot from some man's assassin way. Now I don't know, a man for the evidence to sound on my canal today, or maybe a target for Pana, we need the entity of Macasadia. Now Rawlings woo ye, video be PA, and maybe 24 pa, as some more can.
Achia, what are some about?
Asame. Yes, Rollins say woo.
Mama na kunu. Hey, your mama welcome Rollins.
Well, obeso che say Mahama ne kun no na me hu say agro ono mo ye de omudi. Minim say agro no mudi. Na bia sorry to say mpanifo aginya ba o makom no mo ye sade no. Na ade chi ne no video masa akọfa nso abani.
Auntie Nana, where ya ma yako. Mene aja fati. Nyame na de manyame na oje. Nti ya mabusafo nyina yako. Nyama kafra. Ama odwie na ma no ho ya. Yati ya mhie mene aja ana aja meboa.
Ampa enye no na meti wa Jubilee House amikikemu. Mikemu said your mama Sankum Rollins so.
What you say? Still our son Hamas said Mahama and kun Rollins. Why? I didn't know say concern. And after that, na apart from Sam Mawi no, you obi ohono mo ono so America. Ono de sorry to say, you mfana se nyase because why say adada to ma yeah, and the way you say a channel I say, ono so your video say Mahama and ekun Rollins.
But media I wish Mahama was dead. Media menya nanka Mahama na ewu because Mahama na kwa no na chese akwa na tena NDC ama Atamels eko Mahama timi yakum nipa mienu because tibia boys na omukọ omudi ya chire kwa akofo ado ho no chire se omohwese bia Mahama de anigye ene ya ho keka on na leadi Rollins abusuafo de anigye eko na akofo ado na chese ewu no na chese ewu no Mahama ensa ehafie true na chese true way I dey talk about this afternoon.
So mama yenja some kind of jokes bi ayeye before say we say obi gino so wunya evidence uhu bibi. You cannot just wake up in the morning off a camera because any eye cheap will be at me binti no can same thing be afa obi papa and I say home or so san can say John Mahama no a possible so be president this year. So or be president for Ghana. It's more there something here, you know. It's about time I will be son. It's okay, so I want to my NDC. That's it. NPP na what man, it doesn't mean so good for flat. The same thing now. More NDC for no person could do way we don't see a from the market and about 100. So unsubscribe to the market channel now. Now what subscribe it, never review so be me a bell so I don't want to so what I say. Who activate notification bell for all until you upload the video now so when you be a share. When you make sure you straight up.